Welcome to Arden Botanical Village. Dito, nature is not just around you. It's part of your everyday life. Imagine waking up to tree-lined streets, flower farms at lotus ponds, a community designed for wellness and serenity. With spacious lots and 36% open green space, Arden gives you room to build your dream home habang staying close to nature. Strategically located sa Cavite, accessible via CALAX CAVITEX, you get both peaceful living and city convenience. Invest in a home na future-proof, beautiful, and meaningful. This is where your family's best memories will grow. Message us today to get the latest lot map, promos, and schedule a private site tour.